Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hey cutie, today I'm going to show you how to make these customizable presents that you can give anybody in any occasion. So first we're going to do the tapestry. I'm not really going to go into it because it's self-explanatory, but I'll show you what went wrong and what I did.
That's so cool. So satisfying.
Okay, so now I'm gonna roll it.
I'll stop recording?
Yeah. See it?
Yeah. So cool.
You're cool. Got it?
Yes. I'm recording it.
You're the best sister ever.
I know.
So the mistake that I did here is that I did the food dye tie-dye and it really didn't work out for me, and I'll show you why in the next clip. So this was the next day and I was rinsing it out and I noticed that the color was just going off the fabric, so I knew I messed up. So I finally found green tie-dye and this is how it came out. So here I'm just customizing the tapestry for my friend who really likes toph. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm printing it out. I'm also picking a quote, and then this is how I plan to do it. Then I put a little homemade tag, and then this is how it came out. All I'm doing here is just wrapping the gift up as a earthbender or earth theme, because toph is an earth bender. Okay, so for this project all you need is a frame and all you need is the glass, and I'll show you why. So get your glass and then get a dry eraser and start tracing the drawing that you desire on the right side where you're not going to paint, and then you're going to turn that and then you're going to start painting. A tip I have is do the outline first before you add the paint. So all I'm doing is I'm just dabbing some red dots, and then I just went over it with some finisher and I added some glitter to add that glass stain effect. And then you just give the person an easel, and then there you have it. My friend also likes Sailor Moon, so all I just did is I drew a Sailor Moon happy birthday card, and that's it. So here's another extra idea as a customizable gift. All I'm doing is that I'm going to draw the koi fish from Avatar. after finishing the koi fish and cutting them out, I put them on a frame. They were just hanging from a little string that I had, and this is how it turned out. I just want to wish Dawn and Karina a happy birthday. I love y'all and I hope y'all enjoy your day. Don't let this COVID ruin it. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Bye!